have a little something. A little something. First we have to open it up. Yep. They are so much bigger. It's just amazing. It's been almost 3 months. It's amazing.
Really? Has it been 3 months since that?
It's way too long. I can't go this long without seeing my babies. Yes. Grandma brought you a little something. Probably not too exciting. I got these at a garage sale for almost nothing. They're really, really decent books. Okay, it's way down here at the bottom, so we have to take out some things. I have to take out some things. Whoops. It's way down here, Dad.
Hold on, it's down in the. It's still in the suitcase. It's further down.
Where? Oh,
Look.
Look, Bambi and the Lion King.
Wow.
That's Kate.
Yeah. Hey, you got Bambi. Look at Bambi.
Bambi.
Bambi's the deer.
That's the Lion King.
That's the Lion King. He's a lion.
I got that one.
You do?
Yeah. Can you guys say thank you to Grandma?
Oh, you're welcome.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kid,
What
can
are
you
you
say
doing?
thank you?
I think it's okay.
Well, that's my papers, honey. We don't need to get those out now. Tomorrow we have to put this in the mailbox. It's Barbara's birthday. Okay.